YouTube, what's going on, baby? It's your main man TC the Barber back with another haircut tutorial. I ain't gonna hold y'all, we're gonna get right into it. In this haircut tutorial, we're gonna be doing a bald taper on nephew. So the first step is just picking through the hair, lifting the hair up off the scalp, prepping it to get ready to cut. Okay, so the next step with the cordless handy masters, you're just gonna be knocking the hair down with a number 3 guard on there and just setting it up for the taper. Okay, so the next step, we're going to be setting the ball line in at the nape of the neck, making sure the line is nice and neat. And then we're going to come back and clean up the existing hairs at the bottom of the neck. Now in this next step, with the lever all the way open, we're going to go ahead and set in our first guideline there, going up about a ½ an inch. Now we're going to close that lever all the way and start knocking out the ball line that I created. Opening that lever up halfway, we're going to continue to fade. Now we're going to throw the number 1 guard on that thing with the lever all the way open. And we're going to go ahead and set in our second guideline, going up about a ½ an inch. Okay, so my reason for doing a downward technique, he has hair that grows up. So, in order to blend it well, I go back against the grain to smooth it out. Now coming back with the 1/16 guard with the lever all the way closed, I'm going to continue to fade this area. Now I'm coming back with the number 2 guard with the lever all the way closed. And this area right up under the occipital bone, I'm going up in there just to lighten that area up to make a smoother transition when I come back with that 1. Coming back with that one guard with the lever all the way open. Gonna blend right up in this area that we had the number 2 guard at. Go ahead, finish knocking this fade out. Sorry guys, on this glitch right here, my camera did go out. I did turn it back on and I got the lever adjusted to half. Now I'm coming back with a number 2 guard with the lever all the way closed. I'm gonna go ahead and start evening everything out. Now coming back to the back right up under the occipital bone, just coming back to do some detailing. It's always important, man, like to come back and do some detailing if it's some areas that you feel like you miss or you need to touch up. Now that I got the back blended, I'm gonna go ahead and start my edge up in the back. Now you take the same step that you did in the back and you apply it to the temple area. Now I'm balling out the temple area. Now I'm going to open my lever all the way up on my Walls Magic Clips. Go ahead, setting my first guideline, going up about a half an inch. Now I'm going to close that lever and start blending out the ball line, and as I go up on the fade, I'll open it up halfway. And the lever is open to half. Now I'm switching over to the number 1 guard with the lever all the way open. I'm going to go up about a 1/4 inch. And I'm going to blow past this section because I'm just repeating the same steps that I did in the back of the head. Now coming in with the half guard with the lever adjusted to half and just doing some detailing. Okay, now with the 1.5 guard with the lever all the way open, and just continue to fade, continue to knock out these areas that are dark and give it a nice blend. As you can see coming back, my lever is closed all the way, and I'm just finishing the fade off. You can see I'm going back down on the fade, jumping into the 1 guard with the lever adjusted to half, just going back and doing some detailing. Now I'm coming back in with the 1/16 guard, just cleaning up some areas. I'm gonna tell y'all, man, I'm not gonna stop until this cut is fresh. Okay, at this point I'm just gonna speed this part up after we did 2 demonstrations on the back and the left side of his head. We just gonna blow right through this. Alright, so we're gonna give him that hot towel treatment just to lay the hair down. I'm gonna use some Elegance holding spray just to hold the hair in place, so when I cut it, it'll be fresh. Now the final finish, starting the edge up, I typically start in the middle and use that as the guide. Alright, to finish the cutoff, I'm going to apply some topics to his hairline just to make it pop. YouTube, this is the cut. Yeah. Let me know what you think in the description below. Also, if you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe and hit that like button, and also that notification bell will let you know when I'm dropping my next video. And also, you can follow me on IG at TC the Barber, Facebook at Tony T Clark. Peace.